guys, welcome to day 23 of Inktober, and today's theme or topic is muddy. When I think about muddy, the first animal that comes to our head is a pig. Because while I was drawing this pig, I was also watching the last episode of the Jake Paul series, and oh my god, Shane Dawson is so awesome. Wait a minute, Shane Dawson is so awesome. I just rhymed it completely. How come he doesn't have merch with this? Like, Shane Dawson is so awesome. That would be so cool. And yeah, talking about today's video, well, I just thought I should make a pig who is having fun in the mud. And here he is going crazy, and you'll see initially I drew some mud on his tail, and later on while lining up I totally messed it up and just outline all the other things. So yeah, you can see the pencil mud on it, but since I already outlined it with black ink, that's how I ended up with no mud on his tail. And now some real mud, some real shit. So you can see me making it. And yeah, now I'll be using my favorite alcohol markers. I absolutely love them, and I love how they blend. The only minus point of it is that they really don't work on all types of paper. Like this is it, I'll put it in the description. But they do a plastic sheet beneath the paper and adding some details, and our pic is ready. Already. I hope you guys are enjoying the Inktober. Few last days are remaining, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.